Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Samiha from Cook with Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious fruit and nut bars. Before we get on to the video, make sure to subscribe if you like what I do here, and also click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. Since this is a nut-filled bar, you'll need a variety of different nuts. So prepare 50 grams of almonds, 50 grams of pistachios, 50 grams of cashew nuts, 50 grams of walnuts, and 50 grams of hazelnuts. Before you start, make sure to dry roast the hazelnuts to easily remove the skin. And then you will need 100 grams of figs, 100 grams of deseeded dates, and 75 grams of black raisins. Firstly, you'll need to chop the nuts and the dried fruits. Mix the nuts and dry fruits and add 50 grams of all-purpose flour and mix with the nut mixture. Then add salt and baking soda and mix it again. Now add brown sugar and mix it all together. Then beat the egg with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of almond essence. Mix it well to combine all together and add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and mix it again. Pour the mixture into the butter-greased pan and spread it evenly. Bake it in a 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven for around 20 to 25 minutes. Remove from the pan and cut it into small bars. Enjoy and serve it for your Eid table. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!